Good evening. Welcome to Gurukul of Stock. Let's talk about the Nifty view for Monday. Let's talk how the Nifty is positioned. Let's talk and see how Nifty is looking. If you have been with Gurukul of Stocks, we have been regularly talking about any downfall in Nifty, any fall in Nifty below 23,850 could sharply take Nifty to 23,500 odd levels. If you see on last Friday, we were roughly trading at around 24,000 and there was a fall of roughly around 500 points. We roughly came to 23,511. So there was a downfall of 500 points in just 2 hours. Basically, it was sort of a very uh, bearish day. There was a downfall of around 500 points, and we have been discussing this sort of view since Wednesday and Thursday. We have been repeating the same thing. Nifty is trading at a very critical level. Any breakdown in Nifty at roughly 23850 could take Nifty to 23,500. So now, how could we plan the trades for Monday? Obviously, it is sort of a weak closing, but now we are approaching a very critical support, 23,000 and 23,400. It is a very important and critical support for Nifty. At this level, we should not try to short Nifty. We should try and long opportunity, see some sort of a long trades in Nifty at roughly 23,400, because we are at a very critical support which is roughly around 23,300 and 400. Unless and until 23,300 is broken on daily basis, we are not willing to short Nifty. We will try to take some sort of long positions in Nifty at roughly around 23,000 and 300 and 400, obviously, because it is an important support for Nifty. There was some sort of a rebalancing in MSCI index on Friday, due to which heavyweights like Reliance, Federal Bank, HUL, Infosys, lot of shares were dumped by uh, MSCI. So this was the reason there was a sharp fall in index, because due to the heavy selling pressure due to index balancing. So obviously, this does not mean we are trading on a weaker sort of a index. Let's see how we could plan our trades on Monday. Let's go on a 1 hour chart. If we basically go on a 1 hour chart, what we see, there is some sort of a sharp bounce from roughly around 23,500 odd levels. But again, market will become bullish when, obviously, when we will start trading about 23,740 to 50 odd levels. Unless and until we are trading at around 23,750 odd levels, we will be trading in a sideways territory, which will be from 20,000 23,300 400 to 23,800. So obviously, we need to be cautious. We need to trade in this sort of a range and do these sort of trades, which we have got a resistance around 23,800 and a support of 23,300. This is sort of a trade which we are doing. Let's go on a 15-minute charts and see if we could find out something. If we go on a 15-minute chart, see again, market has got an important resistance. Unless and until we are able to cross 23,800, we will be in sort of a sideways range. We will be trading in a sideways range, which will be around 23,800 to 23,300. So this is sort of a market. Unless and until we cross 23,800, we will not be so bullish. We will be in a range of around 400 to 500 points. The support will be 23,300, resistance will be 23,800 to 850 levels. Let's go on a 5-minute chart and see how the market is looking. On a 5-minute chart, the market is trying to do some sort of a reversal. And when we could do long, when market you know makes a bullish engulfing, or there is an inverted hammer in 5 minutes and market breaks 23636, if there is a breakout in Nifty of roughly around 23,636, then we could see 23755 and 23,800 odd levels. Market may face sort of a resistance at roughly around 23,733 odd levels. So there is a upside of roughly 100 points if we are able to cross roughly 23633. So what are the important figures on the upside on Monday is 23,633, and if you see on downside, unless and until we are breaking 23,300, we should try and find long opportunities in the market. Any dip in the market which is roughly around 23,500 or levels, we should try and long the positions. 23,500 to 400 levels is a good level for buying the market, or there's a breakout in the market about 23,633, then we could see upside of around 80 to 100 points in the market. Obviously 23,800 could act as a resistance to the market, so obviously we are trading in a range of 23,300 to 23,800. We should try and use the dips, we should try take the advantage of the discounted price which we are getting at roughly 23,300 to 400. Obviously we are not so bearish in the market unless 23,300 now is broken. Any dip at 23300, 23,400 is a buying opportunity in the market. We will again come on Sunday with a complete analysis on Nifty, discussing weekly and daily chart of Nifty and discuss further details. Till the time, goodbye, have a good weekend. Thank you.